celebrating 15 years of Young Turks.
Welcome back. You're watching Young Turks, India's longest-running show on startups. Now, the digital payment market today is fragmented with multiple gateways, wallet and banking apps. But Razorpay, a Bangalore-based startup, is disrupting service in this space with an easy-to-use interface and smooth merchant onboarding. Founded by IIT Roorkee alumni Harshil Mathur and Shashank Kumar, Razorpay aims to offer a fast, affordable and secure way for merchants and e-commerce companies to accept payments online. Let's take a look as to why the founders of three of India's unicorns are backing this fintech startup.
Founded by Harshil Mathur and Shashank Kumar, Razorpay is an online payment gateway that allows merchants to collect payments through credit cards, debit cards, net banking or wallets. All payment processes are completed without leaving the merchant's site and without unnecessary redirects, claim the founders. Razorpay also prevents the loss of shopping cart details and even uses multiple bank gateways so that the purchase is completed successfully and securely. In mobile payments, Razorpay claims its patent-pending technology provides 20% higher success rates than the industry average. Razorpay has also made merchant onboarding easy, with the process taking less than 2 days. But how did these coders stumble upon online payments?
So me and Shashank were both graduates of IIT Roorkee, and we had worked together since college days on projects. So after we graduated, while Shashank was in US doing his job and I was in India doing my job, we were working on a side project around crowdfunding, and for that we wanted to accept online payments. And when we tried that, we realized how difficult it is to accept online payments for a startup in this country. You need to have proper office setup, proper bank records, past operational records. It took about a month to 2 months to just get onboarded and go live with the payment gateway. And then even when we did that, the technology that was exposed to us was very subpar. And we were comparing it with what was available in the US at that point. And it felt like India was decades behind in the payment scenario compared to what US was.
Since 2013, 25,000 merchants have been onboarded, including the likes of Videocon, Zomato, Papa John's, Chai Point, Nestaway, among others. The venture has raised $11.5 million so far from marquee investors like Tiger Global, Matrix Partners and MasterCard. Around 33 angel investors have also funded the company, including the founders of Snapdeal, InMobi, FreeCharge and Flipkart's ex-CPO Puneet Soni. Growing at an average of 1,000 merchants a month, the venture hopes to reach out to over 50,000 merchants by end of this year. While demonetization has given a major fillip to the venture, there are still challenges to be met.
I think the operational challenge that we face right now is there are a lot of infrastructural pieces missing in the country that we have to work around. For example, people have poor internet in a lot of spaces still in the country. So we have to make our payment flows to work at speed as low as 25-30 kbps, which is lower than 2G speeds. But we know that there's a very huge set of customers who still work at those low network speeds.
Charging 2% on an average as a commission fee on every transaction that's made on their merchant site, Razorpay does not charge any setup fee or an annual maintenance fee from its merchants. With plans to go international in the next 8 months, Razorpay is eyeing the Southeast Asia market, where it might look at entering via partnership. But for now, demonetization has opened up a huge opportunity in India, and Shashank does not want to lose focus.
With the demonetization happening, right, a lot of sectors like say insurance and mutual funds and education, many clients in these sectors have now asking for online payment solutions and to tackle different scenarios, and we are really highly focused on tackling the issues in these sectors and building solutions around on these. Today we are mostly catering to businesses. We are also looking at how we can build solutions and get freelancers and individuals on board as well. Other than that, we have been working a lot with SMEs and medium scale clients, and now we have started onboarding the very large scale clients as well on our platform, and their requirements differ quite a bit from other sectors.
The initial work and razor-sharp focus on getting the technology right was strong enough for the company to be chosen for the prestigious Y Combinator Accelerator program in Silicon Valley in early 2015. Having witnessed a 20x growth in business over the past 1 year, Razorpay is growing 50% month-on-month post-demonetization. Hopeful of breaking even in 2 years, there seems to be no stopping for Razorpay.
Harshal and Shashank here is wishing you all the very best of luck. With that, it is time for us to wrap up this edition of Young Turks. Do tell us what you thought of our show. Write into us, youngturks@nw18.com. Connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. Till next week from the entire team, goodbye and many thanks for watching.
Celebrating 15 years of Young Turks.